Baby, let's go, man. Oh, you're adorable. You got something new right now.
Right here. Is this one, guys, the Ruger. You can tell by this and this and this.
You try it out.
This is the little mag that it comes with. Holds like 10, I think. Right?
Yeah.
And then we got this bad boy, which is a double magazine. You just flip it. This one has a cap on one end to keep the dust out of it.
50 total, 25 each side. Ready to go. Oh. Very nice. She's ready to go. Oh. Thumbs up, please. Well, she's getting her ears in. We got targets there. An orange target there. And an orange target there.
That took you a while.
We're gonna do work. Somebody's getting funny over here. Motorcycle ear wings. First shot.
Yep.
Safety, hon, safety. We're all about safety here.
Oh wait, is it automatic? Semi-automatic?
I thought so.
Yep.
Oh, my little truck.
Okay, so there's this little tab here you gotta push in that makes it come out. You'll take your cap off, we'll place that on this side. Make sure it's loaded. And you just pop that sucker in there. Yep. And then you see the little one in there? Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. I guess it likes to be held level.
Yep.
Alright.
So one thing I noticed with this 1022 is it does have nice iron sights, but if you use the bottom of the rear one, that's when you get nice and level and dead on with it. This is just a little Smith & Wesson 1022 break. And then we'll resume with her 22. Do that other one standing up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool, very fun. I'm done.
Oh.
Scarface, please. Oh, yeah. So that's it for the Ruger Carbine 1022. That was our first time shooting it. We got it a few days prior. My gift to her for having a longer rifle 22 to have fun with. And yeah, like you saw in the video, it's pretty cool. I guess these little 10 round drums are like the most reliable option you can get for these. Some people will put like 110 round drums on these, or the old banana clips and whatnot, and some of them can be pretty finicky and whatnot, but the 10 round little drum here was pretty reliable. And the little 2 setup of banana clips we got, those seem to work pretty well, especially for the price. A hair over $40 for those, and this whole gun was $324.99 brand new. And I'd say it was a really good buy, really fun, really quality built, reliable. Got the safety on it, and this one came with iron sights. You can put a little tactical rail on top, and yeah, very awesome for the money. It also comes with a little adapter piece to fit a scope on top. And here's my Smith & Wesson 1022. We were also using this the day we were shooting at the range, and this one's really fun and really reliable and spot on. I shot at least probably at least 500 plus rounds through it without cleaning it, and towards the end it got a little finicky because there was just so much gunpowder on it near the chamber and stuff. But this is a wicked awesome gun. I got this one used for about 3 1/4, and yeah, wicked awesome. I have like 7 25 round mags for it, and it's wicked dead on and really fun. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.